Hey boo, welcome on in. As you can tell by the title, we are about to embark on another solo travel adventure, and I'm excited. Today, I am doing a pack with me video. Okay, pack with me as we go to Ecuador. But this time, we are trying a luggage from the company Level8 that they were so kind to send over, honey. Did I mention I'm only taking a carry-on? So we are going to determine today, if your girl first cannot overpack, because I'm only going for a good time, not a long time. And if this particular luggage is suitable for a carry-on, and I'm flying with JetBlue. So this is the carry-on I'm using for this trip, the Level8 Voyageur 20-inch carry-on, aka Queen Bee, child. Yeah, my daughter actually named it that because of the yellow bumblebee look. I was actually calling it the Magic School Bus at first, but we're going to stick with Queen Bee because that sounds much better. It definitely stands out. You're not losing this bag in the crowd at all. Even if you check your luggage and it's coming down that carousel, you're going to be able to spot it right away. One thing I really love is the handle. I'm 5'10", so I hate when suitcases feel short and I'm giving humpback like a camel. This one comes up higher and it's wider, so it's way more comfortable. And the wheels are 360, so it just glides, honey. No dragging, no tussling, just gliding. And we can't forget about the hard shell, which makes this luggage durable and still lightweight. Something I've never experienced before is that it has a TSA lock built in, which I like for security purposes, but not personally between me and you. I don't want to use that just because I don't want no unnecessary extra attention or drama. I'm already a black woman traveling, child. But I do like having that option there if need be. Now let me show you what I was able to fit in here. One thing I really appreciated about this bag is that the compartments were deep, honey. And I love that you can keep everything in place. Plus, they had a section to separate things like wet versus dry, shoes versus clothes, dirty versus clean. That is very helpful when you're packing for a trip or coming back home. So for this trip, I packed about 3 dresses, 3 two-piece sets, a few swimsuits and cover-ups. I also took some clothes to donate. Laptop, content equipment, sleepwear, underwear, socks, the whole shebang. I also had my toiletry bag, my liquids bag, a small makeup bag. Nothing too crazy, but enough for my trip. And even though this was a short trip, 4 days, 3 nights, I could have easily packed a week or so, maybe even 2, depending on what I take, easily. And for a carry-on, it actually fits a good amount without feeling overstuffed, which matters when you're trying to save a coin or 3. Now, here's where I put it to action. See, this is where it really matters. When you're in the airport moving through everything by yourself as a solo traveler, not one time did I have to tussle, stop, adjust it, or pull it a certain way. It just moved. It just glided on by, child. Just how I needed to move. And that made the whole process a lot easier. If you're looking for a great carry-on, I have everything linked below along with my coupon code so you can save. And if you're planning a trip soon, especially if you're traveling solo, this is definitely a solid option. Solid as a rock to have. Now that I'm packed, it's time for the trip. So make sure you stay tuned for the full vlog because you know I'm taking you with me. Before you go, comment, like, share, and let me know where you're traveling to next, and would you travel with this in your bag?